Morning, Caleb with Guarantee RV out in Junction City today. We're going to be showing you a 2019 Northwood Arctic Fox 29.5K. It's about a 30-foot floor plan with a rear kitchen. Let's hop inside. You got big storage up front here. So you got a drop frame construction, which gives you about 25% more storage on the pass-through. So you can fit lots of stuff in there. Got these more ride steps, very stable, they don't bounce at all. Inside, like I said, you got the rear kitchen. Typically whatever's in the rear is going to get prioritized a lot, so you got a lot of counter space, big double door fridge, a lot of storage back here, full-size residential microwave. You got 2 loungers and a couch. Both of these will recline too, so a lot of hangout room. Electric fireplace. That's always good. You can heat the place without burning propane. And then up here, you got the split bath. Makes it so it's not crammed at all up here. It's very roomy for just a 30-foot fifth wheel. Got a good-sized entertainment center with a built-in dresser. So lots of storage. More storage in here. This one's kind of hidden, but it's a good spot to tie your shoes. And then here, you got a big closet up front. Lots of storage there. And a king-size bed as well. So, yeah, this is the Arctic Fox 29.5K. If you have any questions about this or any other fifth wheels on our lot, feel free to call me directly at 541-321-2328. Again, my name's Caleb. Have a great day.